This is ZTE AXON 25G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So the first order of business is to find and open the calendar app, then select the date that you would like to create an event on. So let's say I'll go with 13th of April. Once the date is successfully selected, tap at this plus icon you have to your bottom right. Among the list of available things, go for the event, obviously, and in here fill out the event details such as its title, its time frames, repetitiveness, invite some members if there are anyone to invite, or you would like to invite someone to have the same event. Then you can add a link to the video conference, the location that this event will take place at, set up your notifications or notification or reminding preferences, perhaps mark this particular event with some color so it will be way better distinguishable from other possible calendar entries and things you might have going on. You can also add some brief description or add an attachment if necessary. Then once you're ready to save, hit the save button to your top right. And here is my event. By tapping on it, I can see the details, edit those details by going for the edit option, or completely delete an event. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.